Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the Mercedes-AMG F1 W14 Formula 1 car. It was released March this year, 2024, and on Amazon it's £147.99. It's not too bad, but if you get it from Lego it's a massive £189.99. Massive difference, so I would advise getting it from Amazon. 1,642 pieces. Couple more extra, I think 200 more extra than the McLaren F1 which we did earlier last year, so I'm expecting it to be similar size but with an extra 200 pieces. Be interesting to see what those 200 pieces actually make. Let's get building and see how good it looks compared to the McLaren. Now we have the end build of the Mercedes Formula 1 car. This was a brilliant build. It was sometimes a bit complicated to put together. There's so many stickers. I know Formula 1 cars have sponsors, but the amount of stickers on this was unreal. I don't remember putting that many stickers on the Mercedes McLaren, but this one is absolutely amazing. From start to finish, it was just brilliant. It's got the rear wing that can adjust. Got sponsors everywhere. Wasn't too keen on these plates covering the wheels. I don't remember if that was like the design on the wheels for Formula 1, but I think it would have been better to see like the brakes. But yeah, this is a brilliant build. Glad I finally got it. Been after it for a while, so it's one ticked off the bucket list. Definitely advise you to get one. Even if you're not into Formula 1, I said it on the last F1 car we made from last year. Even if you're not into Formula 1, still advise getting this build just for the sake of building it. It was absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel so we can keep doing more builds, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.